How OpUtils Advanced IP Scanner bolsters your IP management strategy. As networks become increasingly dynamic, keeping an eye on your IP addresses helps you stay ahead of resource exhaustion and ensure network availability. But scanning, tracking, and managing your network addresses is next to impossible without the right tool for IP scanning. ManageEngine OpUtils brings you an advanced IP scanner that's fast and effective, helping you automate IP scanning and increase network reliability. Bolster your IP management strategy with the advanced IP scanner's 5 key functions: real-time IP scanning, support for multiple subnets, IP operations history, IP-specific reports, and threshold-based alerting. Here's a quick look at each of these. Real-time IP scanning. Simultaneously monitor IPv4 and IPv6 addresses in real time and get in-depth visibility into your address space. Know which IP is used by a Mac, the OS running on the device, its user, and its location in your network. Support for multiple subnets. Easily pull up the usage and performance summaries for multiple subnets from a single console. Discover and scan subnets from routers and DHCP servers across your network infrastructure. IP operations history. Track and analyze who used a particular IP address in your network and when with the advanced IP scanner's IP history, which automatically logs historical IP utilization. IP-specific reports. With the advanced IP scanner's granular IP-specific reports in hand, predict your future address space requirements and plan for optimal IP resource usage. Threshold-based alerting. Enable rapid detection and proactive alerting on IP address space problems using threshold-based alerts that bring to light any emerging issues. That's not all. OpUtils also offers switch port mapping, rogue detection, Wake on LAN, and over 30 networking tools, all of which help you proactively monitor and troubleshoot your network resources. Sign up for a personalized live demo or download a 30-day free trial to see firsthand how OpUtils can enhance your IP address management.